Hi guys, it's Kim with Unfollows Gardens, and today we've got a few random projects that we've got to get buttoned up before it gets hot because it's really overcast and cloudy today, and it feels actually really nice. It just had a really bad storm last night, and so we got a little cleanup to do. We've got some branches that have fallen down over there that we're going to trim up and use for TP posts. We're going to plant a cypress. We're also going to try to get the front flower bed weeded, and we should be having some planter boxes coming, and we're going to make a raised garden bed, so we're going to get it kind of ready. We might get things planted for the fall. I'm really not sure yet. We're kind of running behind. It's just been really hot here, and we've got a lot going on, but at least they'll be ready for spring next year if we can't get anything in them this fall. We're going to try, so let's get started. Oh no, it cracked the pot. I think so. And we're here with the Dewalt. It's a battery operated chainsaw. It's kind of small, really lightweight, easy to use. I don't really like the big ones. They're kind of heavy and they kind of scare me a little bit. This one is actually perfect for just little trim up jobs and getting things cleaned up a little. finally got the cypress planted. He's gonna look really, really good here. He's gonna grow probably 20, 30 foot tall. Gonna cover that telephone pole out that way. And he's gonna fill in 10 to 12 foot wide. So it should fill in this spot pretty nicely. And then we're gonna start planting around here and kind of get it arranged, the shape of the bed, probably in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. Well, I got the weed eating done in that front flower bed, and then the rain came, so it's kind of at a stop for now, and we'll get back at it later. Thanks for hanging in with us, guys, while we finish these projects up today. We've got the sticks for the teepees. They're all cut and ready to go. There should be a video on that coming up. We've got the cypress got planted. We also planted a sage and an echinacea we kind of found growing in the driveway. We've moved it up here on the hill, and it'll be a lot happier, I'm sure. We've got the weed eating done on that front flower bed, so there should be a video on that, planting that up really shortly. The one thing we didn't get were the planter boxes for the raised beds. They should be, we can get those probably tomorrow, and there should be a video early next week about those. But I think we did pretty good. It's pretty hot out here. We've battled the rain off and on. So I feel pretty good about getting what we got done. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, bye guys.